my name is Jake. I'm 70 years old. Have you ever think like if you're 70 years old, what would you want to do? I would just want to go traveling to other countries. There are two reasons. For my first reason is I want to get some relax to go traveling because I already worked a lot of time to get money very hardly. It means usually I can rest, but I don't rest to my lovely parents. I always do that hard work. I don't rest much time to rest, but I will rest very comfortably. I feel very relaxable. For my second reason is I want to go anywhere before when I die, because if I dead, I don't have chance to go traveling other countries or any beautiful places. So when I have chance to go there, I will see and remember that wonderful places before I dead. And also I raise money for my lovely parents to spend for all of my life. It can move my family will happy. If I will go traveling for then my so many money, I will think about all of my life. I feel very proud by myself to raise money very hardly. Thank you for listening to my presentation.